Affairs Editor Geeta Mohan for more details. Geeta, good morning. Since yesterday, since Nancy Pelosi took off from Taiwan, what's the change on the ground, Geeta? Can you sum up how China's responded in the form of whether it's military drills or economic sanctions?
Well, both, Akshita. Even while the visit was underway, China had announced a banning of or suspension of imports of certain food products from Taiwan. Now, this is small in number, but it's a beginning because economic sanctions would really hurt Taiwan. Taiwan's biggest and largest trading partner continues to remain China. So a lot of what Taiwan gets is from China. And we will have to see how Taiwan is now going to respond to and see to it that these bans do not really impact their imports or their demand and supply of food products. So again, that's one aspect. The other one, like we've been reporting, are the military operations that have begun around Taiwan. 6 zones that have been identified as also it's going to be air, land and sea. What we're also given to understand, according to the People's Liberation Army, is that through these operations in the coming days, Taiwan's ports and shipping lanes could be blocked. A blockage of that kind could mean huge, disastrous consequences for Taiwan and Taiwan's trading, so to say. So the Taiwan Strait is going to remain hot for a while. We are also looking at how China is not only going to look at and confine itself to military operations, Akshita, but also maybe move forward and go beyond just operations. And if that happens, if they start looking at how to strategize the so-called reunification of Taiwan into mainland China, then that certainly would be a serious concern. There are 4 warships, US warships, still in those waters.